Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class, and students, please look here. I'm taking the class of Junior 1. The subject is English, and our today's topic is making words with the letters A to F. That means A, B, C, D, E, F. So this is our today's topic, making words with the letters A to F. And this is our half-yearly term 2022, and this is our first lecture. That means today is our first class with you. That's why this is lecture number 1, and I will give the HW, and this is HW number 1. And I'm Afsana Awal, and this is our contact number, and this is today's date. So let's start our class. So this is our today's topic, making words with the letters A to F. That means we have to make 2 words with these letters. With each letter we have to make 2 words. At first A and alligator, and alligator, and alligator. A and T, and A and T, and A and T, and then alligator. ALLIGATOR, alligator. ALLIGATOR, alligator. So A and alligator. Now the next one is B. B is for baby, bat. Baby, bat. Baby, bat. B-A-B-Y, baby. B-A-B-Y, baby. B-A-B-Y, baby. And then bat. B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. So B is for baby, bat. Now C. Cat, cow. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. C-O-W, cow. C-O-W, cow. C-O-W, cow. So C is for cat and cow. Now the next one is D. And the 2 words here, drum, duck. D-R-U-M, drum. D-R-U-M, drum. D-R-U-M, drum. And the next one is duck. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. So this from drum, duck. E. E-L-E, P-H-A-N-T, elephant. E-L-E, P-H-A-N-T, elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. And another one is I. E-Y-E, I. E-Y-E, I. E-Y-E, I. So E, elephant, I. And now the last one for today, F. And the 2 words are fish, frog. F-I-S-H, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. And frog. F-R-O-G, frog. F-R-O-G, frog. F-R-O-G, frog. So A and alligator, and B is for baby, bat. C, cat, cow. D, drum, duck. E, elephant, I. And F, fish, frog. That means today we have learned 2 words with these letters. And students, now it's time for your HW number 1. This is your first HW and your HW number 1 is making words with the letters A to F. That means today's topic. This is your HW number 1. Okay students, that's all for today. See you in the next class inshallah. Allah Hafiz.